This video is going to go over initial conditions. So each independent energy storage element needs an initial condition. This describes where we're starting from. So for the mass damper example, this mass needs an initial condition only. Now, if we have a mass spring, on the other hand, with a force acting on it, we need two initial conditions. We have our mass velocity, which we need, and then we need to know our spring deflection, that initial condition as well. Now, for another example, let's consider a mass with two springs in parallel and a damper on the other side. In this case, we still need two initial conditions. We need the mass velocity, as with before, but the springs, they're in parallel. They have the same deflection. They're not independent, so we only need the deflection of one to figure out the other. So we only need an initial condition for one of those deflections, which will be the same as the other. And since the damper doesn't store energy, we don't need an initial condition for that guy either. Now, if we have a mass connected to a damper and on the other side it's connected to a mass spring damper system, how many initial conditions do we need for this system? We need three. We need two velocities, one for each mass, and then we need to know what that spring deflection is. And that covers initial conditions.